Inserting and deleting columns, rows, and cells. Here I can see that I have 3 columns. Let's see if I want to delete a column. First we have to highlight the entire column. Here I highlighted column B. In the Home tab on the ribbon towards the far side, you see the Delete button. There is a drop down and you can see several options. Delete sheet columns will delete the columns. It does not delete the letter B, but it deletes the contents in the column B and moves the contents from the column C into column B. Similarly, for rows, you go to the Delete drop-down. It says Delete Sheet Rows instead of columns. Now let us insert columns into the sheet. It will always insert the column to the left of the column that you have selected. Right beside the Delete button, you can see Insert. We selected column B and let's click on Insert Sheet Columns. Exactly opposite of what Delete did, it inserted a column between A and C. When we click on Insert Sheet Rows, notice that it will insert a row above the row that you have selected. The other option is to use the mouse and the right click. Let us delete the column B. By clicking on it and right clicking, it will show us the options to insert and delete. Similarly for rows, when we right click by selecting a row, it shows the option for insert and delete. If you highlight only individual cell, we are deleting or inserting one particular cell. Now, as we can see, if you want to insert a cell, the options change from Insert Cells, Rows, and Columns. Let us click on Insert Cells. It wants to know if it wants to shift the cells down, to right, or shift the entire row or the entire columns. As you see, when we click OK, the number 46 will go one row below, but 50 still is there. Similarly for delete, we do the same. It will shift up. So we can use the delete or insert buttons either from the Home tab or from the right mouse click as shown here. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Have a great day.